Master the first conditional. The key to possible future events. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English conditionals. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of the first conditional. Also known as the real conditional because it talks about real and possible situations, this structure can truly elevate your English conversations and writings. So, let's get started. The first conditional is an English grammar structure that we use when we want to talk about possibilities in the future. These are events that are likely to happen if a certain condition is fulfilled. The structure of the first conditional is if plus present simple tense, will plus verb, base form. Here's a simple example. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. The first part, if it rains tomorrow, is the condition. The second part, I will stay at home, is the result that will happen if the condition is fulfilled. The first conditional is used in a variety of situations. Let's look at a few of the most common ones. 1. Predictions. When we believe something will happen in the future, given a certain condition, we use the first conditional. For example, if we study hard, we will pass the exam. 2. Promises. We often use the first conditional to make or respond to promises. For example, if you lend me your car, I will fill it up with gas. 3. Threats or warnings. It's also used to warn of potential negative outcomes if a certain condition is met. For example, if you touch that wire, you will get an electric shock. 4. Instructions or advice. We use the first conditional to give instructions or advice about specific situations. For example, if you get to the station after 10 a.m., you will miss the train. Remember, the key to using the first conditional correctly is to match a likely condition with its possible result in the future. Now that we know the definition and usage of the first conditional, it's time to practice. Here are a few sentences. Try to complete them using the first conditional. 1. If you call me when you get home, I be able to give you the information. 2. If it rain tomorrow, we go to the museum instead of the park. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, don't hesitate to make your own sentences using the first conditional. And there you have it. The first conditional. A simple yet powerful tool in English grammar. Remember, it's all about a condition and a likely result. By understanding and using this structure, you'll be able to express yourself more effectively in English. As always, keep practicing and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.